Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and connecting hardware. This avoids midway failures. Plug Picture, Keeper connect into your computer's USB port or hub, then open the app immediately. If you're using a phone, unlock it and grant file access when prompted. This lets the device enumerate photos. Once done, choose the backup option in the app and set destination folder. This first step ensures the software sees all sources and prevents accidental duplicates during the automated scan. You now manage what gets saved and why. Precise selection reduces clutter. In the app, use filters to isolate recent photos or specific file types, then preview results so you understand space needs. Make sure to enable incremental backups if you want only new items next time. This saves time and storage. Also choose a clear folder structure, for example by date, so you can find images later. Once satisfied, press Backup and watch the progress indicators to confirm throughput and errors. You finish by verifying the backup finished and spot-checking a few images to confirm integrity. This is your final quality check. After confirmation, use the app's eject option and disconnect safely to avoid file corruption. Consider enabling scheduled backups or syncing with a cloud account for redundancy. If something goes wrong, slow transfer, missing files, or errors, first check cables and ports, restart the app, and update firmware or software. These steps resolve most issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.